If you use the Musician's Guide to Theory and Analysis, you know it comes with a workbook powered by Noteflight. Here's how you get those assignments into your Noteflight Learn account. Open your Musician's Guide workbook. Select a chapter and an assignment. I'm going to assign this fourth species counterpoint worksheet. Now I can print this and hand it out. I can play it too. But I can't use all of the editing tools because I'm not in my Noteflight Learn account right now. So I'll export this worksheet by clicking on this cloud icon. And you'll see I have options. I'm going to choose Noteflight Score and Continue. It will download, and then I'll drag it to my desktop. Now I don't need the workbook anymore, so I'll just go to my Learn account and I'll choose Create. Instead of starting from a blank score sheet or selecting an instrument, I'll start by importing the file I just downloaded. There. Now I'm seeing the same worksheet, but since I'm in my Learn account, I have access to my editing tools. I can customize the worksheet, change the prompt, or whatever I like. Let's give it a new title. There. Other than that, I'm just going to assign it as is. To do that, click Score Details, Create Google Classroom Assignment, select the class, write some instructions, set the due date, and click Save. Now, if I navigate to my Google Classroom, you'll see that the assignment is there. That's all there is to it.